The heat wave roars on, and so must our chilies. Good afternoon, good evening, good night everybody. Happy Friday to you all. Friday the 10th of July 2026, and it's day 145 of the Chilli Grow Up. What a day I've had. So this morning woke up and all I could see on my phone was the numbers 4 and 7 on the passcode on the iPhone. So couldn't access anything. In a complete panic, we've grabbed Lucy, we've had to fly into town, find some Wi-Fi, looked it up. First thing it says, it zoomed in. To zoom out, 3 fingers, tap 2 or 3 times and a menu pops up, zoom out. So yeah, it's the morning's gone down the drain, so there we go. And it's about 33 degrees right now. A bit hot. A little bit warm, but as you see, this hot breeze, it's lovely, especially on our overwintered cayenne here. See, the plants are doing well. Now, I did just put a drop of water around them because they were bone dry already, which is quite crazy to think. So, for today's video, a lot of things have changed up that weren't supposed to be happening, of course, with the phone, but now that's fixed. I'm going to pull a couple of plants out we haven't had a look at yet, like what we did yesterday. They were the top 10 growers. Let's have a look at some other plants now and take a closer look. So other than that, I hope you're doing well. I hope you're having an awesome Friday and you're all set for some fun on the weekend. Me and Lucy, my closest friend, is coming up from Oxford. Coming up tomorrow, so we're going to watch the England game. I couldn't care win or lose for football, but hey, he loves it, so it'd be nice to see him and go somewhere and watch that and have some food. But yeah, hope you're doing well. Let's do this. Let's get into day 145. Boiled egg, madam. Start off with that Mirch Masala. They've grown so well, so quick. So much going on. And even the potted plants, they're all doing just excellent. Some more here. Over there. Yeah, Mirch Masala's looking great. Let's have a look at our Habanero. Not so little anymore. Doing great. Nothing yet flowers or buds, but coming along nicely. The Habanero. Here's a Sugar Rush Peach Stripey. I think we're just starting to get some little nubs and buds starting to appear. It's looking good. Good stem. No problems there on the Sugar Rush Peach Stripey. The beautiful Buena Mulata. I've put a support cane in it. Look at these flowers starting to appear. Very nice. So much going on. Just wonderful. The Buena Mulata. Got a Zebrange here, look. Nice big leaves, lovely stems. Let's get rid of these little hideaways there. Maybe some buds coming soon, yeah. Hopefully. On the Zebrange. Here's a regular jalapeno with a copper coil. Just starting to see buds, flowers. It's getting nice and bushy. A lovely stem there. Perfect on the jalapeno. Got a dream catcher here. It's quite short still. Coming along, but look at these flowers and leaves starting to show. Colours are magnificent, aren't they? Cannot wait to try these peppers. The dream catchers. Here's another Habanero. Again, no flowers, no buds yet, no nubs, no peppers, but coming along so nice. The Habanero. Here's another Zebrange with its copper coil, and look, I'm starting to see some flowers again. Remember, these like striped bell peppers. They're spicy. There's a branch Starting to grow nice and big. Perfect. Got the 2 black jalapeños here, and look at the flowers. Try and get them. Just beautiful. And the second one here. There we go. Marvellous. Black jalapeños. Having a dream catcher here. The leaves just beautiful, and they're just starting to show a few little flower heads. Just starting to prop up everywhere. Beautiful. The dream catcher. Check out this Carolina Reaper with a copper coil. That leaf's propped up there, but so many layers and levels. So much going on. Crazy, crazy. I have to clear some of this up. Just look at it all. This is going to get quite bushy. Scary stuff on the Carolina Reaper. Here's a second Carolina Reaper. Lots going on down the middle there. Very strange plant in the way it grows, but okay, looking great on the Carolina Reaper. These are Zimbabwe Black. Remember our little Zimbabwe Black? Starting to look really nice now, and look what's coming up. Just incredible. Beautiful little purple flowers on the back there, but look at them. It's starting. It's going to do well. I can feel it. The Zimbabwe Black. So there we go. That wraps up day 145. Bit of a weird one. Just a quick check over, I suppose. Everything's looking great, I think, and lots more flowers, lots more buds coming up. Cannot wait. Really exciting times. I'll give that cayenne a little bit of observation. The leaves are drooping a bit. I think he's just a bit overwatered. I didn't think I'd put any water in today, but we'll just leave them be and keep an eye on them. But other than that one, they're all looking great, I think. So that wraps the day up. I want to thank you all for joining us on this Friday. Lucy and I really appreciate it. It means the world to us. So thank you so much. Okay, you take care of yourselves. Make sure you look after me, myself and I. Because no one's going to throw you a lifeline if you're drowning. Have a wonderful, wonderful Friday and a great weekend. We'll see you tomorrow. See you Saturday. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.